This is the procedure on how to do juggling. The main objective is to hit the sipa, rubber band, or similar local material alternately with the right and left palm upward. The height of the material being tossed should be at least above the head. For the partner or facilitator, count how many times the performer has hit the material with the right and left hand. Stop the test if the material drop on the floor or after 2 minutes. There shall be 3 trials. This is the scoring for juggling. Record the highest number of hits the performer has done. This is the scoring for juggling.
And that's all for coordination. See you again next time.
Hexagon agility test. For the performer, stand with both feet together inside the hexagon facing the marked starting side. At the signal go, using the ball of the feet with arms bent in front, jump clockwise over the line, then back over the same line inside the hexagon. Continue the pattern with all the sides of the hexagon. Rest for 1 minute. Repeat the test counterclockwise. For the partner, start the time at the signal go and stop once the performer reached the side before the side where he or she started. Record the time of each revolution. Restart the test if the performer jumps on the wrong side or steps on the line. Scoring. Add the time of the 2 revolutions and divide by 2 to get the average. Record the time in the nearest minutes and seconds. 40-meter sprint. For the performer, at the signal ready, stand behind the takeoff line. The tips of the shoes should not go beyond the line and assume a crouch position. At the signal get set, assume an uncrouched position, buttocks up, with both hands on the starting line. At the signal go, run to the finish line as fast as you can. For the partner, set the stopwatch to 0 point. At the signal go, start the watch and stop it as the performer crossed the finish line. Record time in the nearest 0.01 seconds. Scoring. Record the time in nearest minutes and seconds. Standing long jump. For the performer, stand behind the takeoff line with feet parallel to each other. The tips of the shoes should not go beyond the line. Bend knees and swing arms backward once, then swing arms forward as you jump, landing on the balls of both feet. Try to jump as far as you can. Do not control the momentum of the jump. Continuously move forward. Perform the test twice in succession. For the partner, place 0 point of the tape measure at the takeoff line. After the jump, spot the mark where the back of the heel of either feet of the performer has landed nearest to the takeoff line. Record the distance of the 2 trials. Scoring. Record the best distance in meters to the nearest 0.1 centimeters. Stork balance stand test. For the performer, remove the shoes and place hands on the hips. Position the right foot against the inside knee of the left foot. Raise the left heel to balance on the ball of the foot. Do the same procedure with the opposite foot. For the partner, start the time as the heel of the performer is raised on the floor. For the partner, start the time as the heel of the performer is raised off the floor. Stop the time if any of the following occurs. The hands come off the hips, the supporting foot swivels or moves or hops in any direction, the non-supporting foot loses contact with the knee, the heel of the supporting foot touches the floor. Scoring. Record the time taken on both feet in nearest seconds.
To do stick drop test, first, sit on an armchair or chair next to the table so that the elbow and the lower arm rest on the desk comfortably. Place the heel of the hand on the desk so that only the fingers and thumb extend beyond. Fingers and thumb should at least 1 inch apart. Catch the ruler with the thumb and index finger without lifting the elbow from the desk as the partner drops the stick. Hold the stick while the partner read the measurement. Do this thrice. For the partner or facilitator, hold the ruler at the top, allowing it to dangle between the thumb and fingers of the performer. Hold the ruler so that the 12-inch mark is even between the thumb and the index finger. No part of the hand of the performer should touch the ruler. Drop the ruler without warning and let the tester catch it with his or her thumb and index finger. Record the score on the upper part of the thumb. This is the scoring for stick drop test. Record the middle of the 3 scores. For example, if the scores are 21, 18, and 19, the middle score is 19. In case where the 2 scores are the same, for example 18, 18, 25, the repeated score shall be recorded.
And that's all for reaction time. See you again next time.